Hello, this is James with 4J. Thank you for stopping by our channel today. You'll see our website here, and if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see recently added items. We're constantly adding new items. But today we're going to talk about our Max Hose Repair Kit. And the reason we call it a Max Hose Repair Kit is it is not just designed for an individual truck that's out in the field. It is designed for your shop to organize it, your mechanic's truck that may be going out there following up on technicians in the field, or your service managers that may need to do multiple repairs for multiple technicians. Here you'll see what we have is the box. It's an ammo box, and it is all self-contained, easily to store in your truck. Now it comes equipped with 3 different sizes of hose clamps, as well as 3 different sizes of hose splices. There's enough pieces in here to do 30 repairs, 10 each of the splices, 20 each of the hose clamps. And this will be for 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch hoses. The kit gives you plenty of supplies, and you can restock as needed. The electrical tape is for emergencies. Don't use it to patch your hose. Use it to cover up your clamps so that you don't get cut on them after you do a quick repair. Alright, what you're also going to find in here is we've included the tool for doing the repairs. Now this tool is actually equipped with nut drivers and screwdriver. It's a very economical kit. We don't recommend the screwdriver. Always use a nut driver. You'll get your clamps tighter. Now here's your hose cutter. Don't use your pocket knife. This is what you need. Get your hose cut and be able to do the splice and the repair. As you can see, it's a complete kit. It all fits in this box that stores easily in your shop or on your service truck. Well, thanks again for checking in with us. Want to remind you, we also have the smaller version of this kit, which is for the individual technician out in the field. And this particular kit comes with the same thing, only not as many clamps and splices, but this is good for your trucks to have so that when they're in a remote location or away from the shop, they can quickly do a hose repair. Well, once again, thank you for being with us today. We encourage you to subscribe to our channel and our website, and check in with us, like the video. Tell us what you need. We'll get it added to the site. You have a great day. Thanks for visiting 4J Hose and Supply.